Hello, so in this video I will show you guys on how to get the Hostinger discount. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So before we start, there will be a link in the description below and where you'll get a special discount when you're going to avail some of the plans right here in Hostinger. So yeah, so in here, Hostinger has different kinds of plans and services that you can avail. So they have plans and services like web hosting, website builder, horizons, VPS hosting, domains, emails, and N8N VPS. So all of these plans and services over here have special discounts when you click on the link in the description below. So yeah, so let's start off with the web hosting right here. So with web hosting, it has three plans right here, like the premium plan, the business plan, and the cloud startup. So for the premium plan, it has everything you need right here to create your website. So this one will cost you around $2.99 a month. And then it has AI tools like a website builder, and you can create up to 25 websites, manage hosting for WordPress, free 7-day Horizons trial, 25 gigabytes SSD storage, Hostinger website builder, a free domain, free automatic website migration, 2 mailboxes per website, unlimited free SSL, weekly backups, starter WooCommerce, and AI SEO ready. Moving on is we have the business plan right here. So for the business plan, you will get a 73% off discount right here. So this one will cost you around $3.79 a month. And then it has a lot of AI tools like the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, and AI SEO tools. And here you can have up to 50 websites. It also has managed hosting for WordPress, a free 7-day Horizons trial, 50 gigabyte NVMe storage, Hostinger website builder, free domain, free automatic website migration, 5 mailboxes per website, unlimited free SSL, daily backups, basic WooCommerce, AI SEO ready, and free CDN. Then lastly, we have the cloud startup right here. So this one you'll get up to 71% off your discount. So this one it costs around $7.99 a month. So this one it has the same tools or AI tools as well with the business plan, and it has additional features right here like 100 websites, 100 gigabyte NVMe storage, priority support, and dedicated IP addresses. So yeah, so this is for the website hosting. Next, it has a website builder plan and service as well. So it has two plans right here like the premium website builder and the business website builder. So for the premium website builder, you will get a 75% off discount. So it will cost around $2.99 a month, and its original price was $11.99 a month. So in here, the features include like 25 websites, 2 mailboxes per website, drag and drop editor, 150 templates, marketing integrations, Google Ads app, email marketing, mobile editing, 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support, and free domain. And then you'll also get AI tools like an AI website builder. Moving on is we have the business website builder right here, in where you can save up to 73% off. So this costs around $3.79, and then the original price was $13.99. So in here, the features are pretty much the same with the premium website builder, but it has additionals like for the websites you'll get 50, the mailboxes you'll get 5, and etc. And then it has all the AI tools right here like the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, and a lot more. And then this one has e-commerce features like e-commerce features, 0% transaction fees, and 100 plus payment methods. Moving on is we have the Horizons services right here. So this one has 4 plans. So we have the Explorer, Starter, Hobbyist, and Hustler. So in here, the Explorer, you can get up to 30% off with the discount. So it will cost you around $6.99 a month, and its original price was $9.99. So in here, you'll get 30 messages a month. For the starter plan, it's priced around $13.99, and then you will get around 70 messages a month. For the hobbyist plan, where you can save 29%, it costs around $13.99, and you can get up to 200 messages a month. And then lastly, so you have the Hustler plan right here, and where you can save 20%. So this one will cost you around $79.99 a month, and then you'll get 400 messages a month. Next is we have the VPS hosting. So in here, it has 4 plans as well. So we have the KVM1 plan. So here you can save up to 64% off because this one will cost you around $4.99 a month. So in here, you have specs like a 1V CPU, 4 gigs RAM, 50 gigabyte NVMe storage, 4 terabyte bandwidth, and data centers worldwide, and Linux operating systems. Next, you have the KVM2 where you can save 61% off. So this one is their most popular plan. So this one costs around $6.99 a month. So in here, you'll get a 2V CPU, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 100 gig NVMe storage, 8 terabyte bandwidth, and data centers and Linux operating systems. Next, you have the KVM4. So in here, you'll get to save up to 67% off. So this one costs around $9.99 a month. So in here, you'll get a 4 vCPU core, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 200 gigabytes NVMe disk space, 16 terabits bandwidth, and the rest of the features are the same on the previous ones. And then lastly, so you have the KVM8. So in here, you can save up to 67% off, and then it costs around $19.99 a month. So the specs are 8 vCPU cores, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 400 NVMe storage, and 32 terabytes of bandwidth. Next is you have the emails services right here. So they have 2 plans right here, like the business starter and the business premium. So in the business starter, you will save up to 80%. So this one will cost you around $0.59 a month. And then for the business premium, so this will cost you around $2.99 per month, and where you can save up to 40%. So the specs between these plans right here is 10 gigabyte storage per mailbox, option to get extra mailbox storage, 50 email aliases, antivirus check, advanced anti-spam, and cloud-based infrastructure. And then for the business premium, you'll get 50 gigabytes of storage per mailbox, and then the rest are pretty much the same, but in this one, you'll also get a free domain. And then lastly, so you have the N8N VPS right here. So this one is pretty much the same with the VPS hosting right here. So the plans are just the same, and the specs are also the same, and the prices and the discounts will also be the same. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get the host stinger discounts. So again, to get the host stinger discounts, just simply go to the link in the description below and where you can avail these special discounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.